Good morning, guys. It's been a while. I haven't updated. I've been sick or somewhat sick. All kinds of stuff. We don't have COVID or anything. It's just seasonal stuff that our son brings it from school. So, anyway, um, I will get to that one in a second. All this stuff is now in here. And what I did was I used 5 shovelful of the, chopped up uh, woods or whatever, the greens. These are the coarse ones. So I put 5 um, shovelful of into a bucket, and I put 1 shovel of chicken feed and half a shovel of the charcoal or biochar, whatever. And then I used just a, I don't know, handful of blood meal. Then I used a garden auger, mix it all up and dump it in here, water it, and repeat it about 23 times. So it's the temperatures already, and I did this yesterday. The temperature is already 62.78 Celsius. That's more than 140 Fahrenheit, I think. So I'll see what's gonna happen with this. The reason I did use the buckets is to measure what the volume would be, and I'll probably measure it afterwards when the finished product, and see what the yield is, because I use lots of chopped up stuff, so when it decomposes it's not gonna be much smaller because it's already small. So I will get just about probably as much as this in finished product. So everything else is working fine. I was gonna update with this is gonna be a general update for everything. So I was going to use I started building the temperature management system, but I screwed it up. There were 2 capacitors placed in a perfect way that you can put them horizontal or vertical. There's some marks and silk screen supposed to be on the circuit, wasn't, and I wasn't paying attention for some reason. It was taking me too long. I just wanted to get through them. So I made 9 of them, and they initially measured fine, but that was a false reading because the capacitors were all wrong direction. It's complete screw up. And the 10th one I realized, and I basically did the correct one, but it wasn't still working because of the temperature sensor. I picked the wrong temperature sensor basically. So I redesigned it and ordered it in a quick fashion, and they'll be coming in, and I'll finish it hopefully next weekend, this coming weekend. So I just wanted to make a quick video about general update. So, and these ducks think I have something to give it to them. Well, I do. I got chicken feed, but it's not for them. So, and this is working pretty good. Well, I haven't run it again. I'll probably run it for this, and I got, probably 3 times as much. And fall, things will be falling in. So anyway, this is the byproduct of that. I'll come to next. Basically screen, and I screen those out, and I'll run it. And I actually made a screen for underneath this buckets, so I pre-screen it before I pile it. I just didn't bring it out. So But yeah, this is it was hard to find this 19 gauge. Well, of course it exists. That's why I have it. But it seems like everybody's buying this thing. Home Depot was out, all of them. Closest one was like 50 miles away or something. And then online stuff wasn't making that much sense. So I went to Tractor Supply. It's like $20 for 10 feet. It was it was 45 or something in Home Depot for 25 feet. That's just stupid. It's just galvanized, welded wire and galvanized. So I don't know. Okay, this came to me when I was sick. I was thinking, laying down, feeling like crap. What's the next step? What am I gonna do? I'll keep making it and storing it, and then how am I gonna spread it? Not with the little bit of wheelbarrow. So I thought about it, like, okay, let me search for it. And I looked around, and there's, like, of course, commercial farm type of equipment. It's like a few $1,000s now. And then Amazon had, you can check it on Amazon. Just type compost spreader, and the stuff that came out, like, unbelievable, $450 or $440. It's basically this. Yeah, it's made out of steel, old steel construction, that one, but this cost me, I don't know, less than 130, around that, just the materials. Well, yeah, of course there's I have a welder and machining tools and whatever, but still, I was just running out of some material. I had to join them, and it wasn't straight, but I straightened it out over here. And I have a bearing captivated by this thing pushing against this, and then a sleeve or whatever, and then not to captivate the whole thing. This shaft also wasn't one piece. So where is it? There we go. So can I zoom into that one? I guess not. Yeah, you can see in here, this was two pieces. So I machined each end, and then just butt welded them. It's a solid rod, 5/8. These are tubes, 1/2 inch. This is 2-inch by 3/16, I believe. Yeah, 2-inch 3/16, just 836 hot roll steel, and then drill holes and welded the shaft in there, and stapled these on there. Actually, the hardest part of this thing was, when I started this way, come back all the way around, overlap this weaving was the tedious part on this thing. Besides, aligning everything, yeah, of course. But so while you turn this upside whatever, on its side, and then you can basically, I made this intentionally tight so it wouldn't open. It's coming in an angle, it's not going straight, you can see. So let's see, and then you put it up on its side, and then when it's up, you just drop it from above, all that stuff. This will be in the place that it will be used. So I'll load up the wheelbarrow and just fill it up and put it on the right rotation like this, and then just lock it up and spread it. So as it goes, it will dispense nice amount of even amount of compost everywhere. I just didn't finish this just yet. I mean, I still need to paint and come on. I still need to paint and you know, check. I may do a couple of hold on one second. You stay right there. Yeah, I may still need to what you call yeah, I need to do some more welds. I just put that, you know, I need to weld here, maybe on the outside, I don't know. I just welded, and these are tacked. I think they're gonna be fine because it's going so smooth. I mean, it has ball bearings. It's very, very smooth. And then once I have a ton of these over here, I will have a way to spread them. So, and I think that's all there is to it. I used a lot of these charcoal I made. Like I said, like perhaps 1 bucket, half shovelful per 5 bucket. So 23. So I have about, I don't know, 12 full shovel full of it in here. And the temperature is 63, well above 140. And it smells right. It's not, you know, it's not rotten, although the flies are coming. But flies are actually good because they're gonna leave their eggs. Those will be maggots, and they're gonna consume this thing, as well as a whole bunch of different, you know, insects. So yeah, that's it. I am, well, there you go. And I've been running it at 2 out of 5, so it's 2 minutes on, 4 minutes off for past day. So, and that should do it. Oh, look, everything is so waterproof, fine. They just put this nasty, terrible thing in there. It just ruins everything. Yeah, same over there in the back too. Unbelievable. Why would you do that? Now I'm gonna water it, you know, just to keep it moist. It's okay. It's not that bad, but why is this not auto-focusing? I'm sorry. So that's pretty much it, and I will maybe do another video real quick, explain the new circuit and for the temperature sensors. But it's not really complicated. It's my bad. The way that it's used, it's not gonna work. So I picked another sensor. So we'll see how it goes. All right. Thank you guys.